Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh will meet Pakistani Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani in Egypt. The Prime Minister has said that India is still waiting for answers and steps on terror from Pakistan. That's the latest news coming in from the capital. Dr. Manmohan Singh to meet the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Yusuf Raza Gilani. The meeting is scheduled to happen in Egypt. The Prime Minister has said that India is still awaiting for answers and steps on terror from Pakistan. Remember, Pakistan has on several occasions said that it wants to resume the dialogue with New Delhi, but New Delhi has reiterated again and again and made its stand very clear that until and unless the investigations into 2611 do not come to the fore, unless Pakistan does not promise on fighting terror, this dialogue will not be resumed. Sanket Upadhyay joins us on the phone line. Sanket, what other details do you have at this point? Right, we'll go across to Sanket in just a bit, but the latest coming in that the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh will be meeting Yusuf Raza Gilani, the Pakistani Prime Minister, in Egypt. This meeting will be the third between the two premiers of the two countries. Remember, there have been tensions between the two countries, especially after 2611, and New Delhi has been reiterating over the past several months that until and unless Pakistan does not come clean on 2611 and the perpetrators of 2611 are not brought to the fore, the dialogue between the two countries will not resume. This particular meeting becomes even more important under the present circumstances of the Prime Minister now to meet Yusuf Raza Gilani, the Pakistani Prime Minister, in Egypt, and the Prime Minister saying we are still awaiting for answers and steps on terror